Hello guys, if you are wondering where your video tab option has disappeared from your Google search results, then this video is for you. As you can see, there is no video tab option when I search for my pinball keyword. Even though I know it should be there, Google has somehow removed this option for no apparent reason for me. In this situation, we need to click on a link and make a few modifications to bring the video tab option back. For this, just select this link and remove any text right after this search question mark. After that, remove all the text right after your keyword. It should be look like this. Now type and UDM equal to 7. Here you can see this is the google.com domain, and search is like a tunnel that is connected to a vast database on Google's server all over the world. Q stands for query, pinball is my keyword, UDM stands for user defined model, which includes a variety of search options such as video, jobs, shopping, image search, and so on. Sometimes Google uses TBM, which stands for topic based model, to deliver more targeted information and search results. However, both serve similar functionality. Now press the enter button on URL and you will see that the video option is now visible. That means this option is hidden for an unknown reason, but it is not a permanent problem, so don't worry about that. Now, if we type UDM2, it will show the image tab option. And if we type UDM28, it will show the shopping tab option. Essentially, there are many options that Google provides. Some are hidden and only appears when Google thinks they are necessary. Otherwise, they remain hidden, as in my case. But if your problem still persists, first reset your Chrome settings. Once the reset is complete, restart your browser. If the problem continues, it is better to wait it out on Google's server. As I told you earlier, this is not a permanent problem, so it will be resolved within a few hours to few days when the Google deems it necessary for your search. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.